Yeah, that's beat down pretty good.
Yeah, I want to see that thing sharp.
These are made to pick up and put the original edges back on blades. You're not trying to tear steel or change your angle. A little more on this side. You ever tried to sharpen this knife?
Nope.
It's a hard one, I'll tell you that right now. That's hard stuff.
Yeah, I used it at work.
Oh yeah, he used it. You feel the difference on one side to the other there. Hit your other side too. I do these sharpeners right now, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. We're made in America, made to last. Yeah, that's stainless in there. That's some hard stuff to do. We use these on kitchen knives, hunting knives, on hatchets. I do these 20 each, 2 for 30. Got anything serrated, roll it in the middle. It will not chew the teeth up. I've done every style possible. Takes them way sharper than new. Okay? Any one you like out. A little oil on the rods help too. Thank you, appreciate it.
Everything else came back first.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. These sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.